Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will be showing you guys how I make baklava. Here we have some pistachios. I have them both grated and crushed. I have some halawa we won't be using and some phyllo dough sheets. You're going to start off by grabbing your ghee butter and putting it onto your phyllo dough sheet. If you don't have ghee butter, you could use unsalted butter. And sprinkling on top, I'm just adding the grated pistachios. And then you just roll it up. And then you repeat these steps as many times as you'd like. I did it around 10 times because I wanted a good amount of baklava. But then just throw them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees Celsius. And just to pour on top, I'm adding a mixture of 1 cup of water and half a lemon, and I'm sprinkling my powdered pistachios on top. And once you're done, you can cut and serve them.